I welcome you to the Vityarthi online learning platform. I want to express my warmest greetings to you. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in today's scenario. The reason for this is because Python is used by majority of developers and international corporations in creating their products. Why do we need to learn Python? Python is a general-purpose programming language that is gaining its popularity as a data science programming language. It is being used by businesses worldwide to extract insights from their data and achieve a competitive advantage. Python is a free and open source programming language, and it can help you to build anything that you can think of. It's easy to learn and a powerful tool too. Learning Python helps a coder to concentrate on problem solutions rather than syntax. Yet another essential feature of Python is its interactive nature. It is simple to learn and easy to use. Perhaps it is one of the most programmer-friendly languages. The programs are easy to develop since it uses elegant syntax. Python's unique selling feature supports a wide range of programming paradigms, including functional, procedure-oriented, and object-oriented programming. That is why it is popular. Python's elegant syntax and dynamic typing, together with its interpreted nature, makes it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development in many areas on most platforms. Well, let us look at some of the features of Python which makes it so popular. Python is a multi-paradigm language. It is used to develop different applications such as standalone applications, web applications, and scientific applications, etc. Python is an expressive language. Expressive in this context means that a single line of Python code can do more than a single line of code in most other programming languages. For example, linear regression. This one line is capable of doing more than 50 statistical computations. Broadly, building a robust and scalable application is possible with the Python programming language. Python supports object-oriented features such as classes, objects, methods, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation, etc. Python is an interpretive language, which means that the code is processed at runtime. The richness of this language is platform independent or portable. We can develop any application using Python on one platform and run this Python code on any platform. It supports a large collection of robust and standard libraries. It is dynamically typed and type-checked. It supports connecting with numerous databases and GUI programming. It has the features of extensible, portable, scalable, automatic garbage collection, and free and open source. I am sure the list goes on and on. Well, let's go through the list of features quickly to give a way to know more about the brain behind inventing the Python language. Guido van Rossum, a gentleman from the Netherlands, is credited for inventing Python in the late 1980s. By the way, the language is named after the BBC popular comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus and has nothing to do with reptiles. Let's have a look at why Python was created in the first place, as told by the creator himself. My original motivation for creating Python was the perceived need for a higher level language in the Amoeba operating system project. I realized that the development of system administration utilities in C was taking too long. Moreover, doing these things in the Bourne shell wouldn't work for a variety of reasons. So, there was a need for a language that would bridge the gap between C and the shell. It's no wonder that it has many libraries and built-in modules compared to other high-level languages like C, C++, Java, and others. I am sure you are impressed by its features. Let's have a look at some of the advantages of Python. Python has a large number of third-party resources that expand its capabilities. Compared to other programming languages, many Python programs use a smaller amount of lines of code to accomplish the same objective. Therefore, it takes less time to develop and causes fewer errors. There are no type declarations of variables, parameters, functions, or methods in the source code, making it hassle-free. This makes the code shorter and more flexible, as you eliminate the source code's type checking at compilation time. I know I have set the stage and made you confident to start right away. But before that, check out the latest releases. Python 3.9.7 is the newest major release of the Python programming language, and it contains many new features and optimizations. And when we say the latest, we mean it. Python 3.9.7 was released on August 30th, 2021. Alright, covered a lot of its features, benefits, and what makes it so appealing. Brace yourself for this jaw-dropping information that will blow your mind. Who uses Python? Drums rolling. Google, YouTube, Netflix, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Spotify, Quora, Reddit, Dropbox, BitTorrent. Yes, for real, it uses it. Blender, you guess it right, the 3D sculpting software. NASA. No, don't be surprised. NASA actually uses Python. Well, the list is long. I am sure this has pumped you up. I know you are eager to know what exactly it will help you with in terms of your career to get a job in one of these places. To start off, web development, automation, robotic and drone applications, business applications, hardware programming, IoT and blockchain, scientific computing, ethical hacking, machine learning, games, desktop application, vscaping, data visualization, image processing, testing, audio-visual, OpenCV, network application, artificial intelligence, API, gaming, and many more. Career Avenues uses Python to make huge money. Now that you are all fired up about Python, you will want to learn more about it. Since the best way to learn Python is to use it, the subsequent modules invite you to play with the Python interpreter as you go. The rest of the tutorial introduces various features of the Python programming language through examples, beginning with simple expressions, different types of statements and data types, functions, modules, methods, packages, arrays, core data structure, and object-oriented programming systems called OOPs. But before we begin your Python adventure, here are some tips on how to become a successful programmer, or as we like to call it, a pro. Understand the logic and structure of language. Always try to do the programs by yourself. Never try to copy others' code without understanding it. Always try to understand what is happening inside the computer. Always try the wrong things and ask questions. Always be clear with the concepts. Practice as much as you can. Follow these mantras and conquer the language. Let's begin our journey together. Come along with us and become a proficient coder.